So this is experiment number 1. Okay, so for this you need 2 candles and one glass. A see-through glass will be better for this experiment. Okay, so you can conduct this at home. This experiment is to understand the importance of air for fire. So let me light candle number A and candle number B. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover candle number B with the glass and see what happens. Okay. Yes, the flame in candle number B dries out. Okay, why did it happen? Because the air inside the glass got finished. Okay, there was no sufficient amount of air. Let me see if the same thing happens with candle number A. I'm going to cover candle number A also with the glass. Let's see what happens. Yes, because there is no sufficient air, candle number A also burns out. So what did we understand from this experiment is that oxygen in the air is very important for fire. Okay, so when we put a glass on top of a burning candle, the glass acted as a barrier between the outside air and the inside air, and when the fire had consumed all the air inside the glass, there was no more air left. That is why the fire extinguished. So air is very important for fire. This is experiment number 2 to understand that air occupies space. For this you need a bucket full of water and some cotton, dry cotton, and a glass, see-through glass. Now you need to put the dry cotton and attach it properly and fix it such that it does not come out. Okay, when I turn the glass upside down, the cotton should not fall. Okay, and the cotton is very dry. So now let me put the glass inside the bucket of water. Okay, do not tilt the glass, otherwise the air is going to escape. Okay, so now the glass is fully immersed in the water. What do you expect? What will happen? Will the cotton get wet or not? It was inside a bucket full of water. No, the cotton is still dry.
Right.
Okay, so how did this happen? The cotton was still dry, though we put it inside a bucket full of water. It was because the glass already had air inside it, and when we put it inside a bucket full of water, the water could not enter the space which was already occupied by the air. That is why the cotton was still dry. So this shows us that air occupies space. So this is experiment number 3, okay, to understand that air exerts pressure. For this you need a bucket full of water, a see-through glass, and a hard cardboard. You need to cut it in this rectangle shape. Okay, so now I will immerse this glass in the bucket full of water. Okay, and I'm going to tilt it. Okay, why? Because we do know that the air occupies space. So now when we tilt the glass, the air will escape in form of bubble, and now the glass is only filled with water. Okay, so now I'm going to take the cardboard and place it on top of the glass, and I'm going to apply some pressure, a little bit of pressure on top of it. So I'm going to now turn the glass. Okay, you know that the water is exerting pressure. What do you think will happen if I remove my hand? Why is the cardboard and the water not falling down? Because of the pressure from the air, which is more than the water pressure. The cardboard and the water does not fall down. Don't you think that the water and the cardboard should fall down because of gravity? But why is it not falling down? Because of the pressure from the air around it. Okay, so because now here the air pressure is more than the water pressure, the cardboard and the water does not fall down. This proves us that the air also exerts pressure.